Hey, so if you want your screenshots to upload instantly without doing anything manually, yeah, ShareX can automate the whole process for you. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to set up automatic screenshot uploads in ShareX. First, open ShareX and go to the Settings menu. This is where you control how screenshots are saved and uploaded. Next, go to After Capture Tasks and enable options like Upload Image to Host and Copy URL to Clipboard. Now choose where your screenshots will be uploaded. You can select platforms like Imgur or other supported services. Click on Destination Settings to customize how uploads work, like file naming, privacy options, or account login. Now take a screenshot to test everything. If set up correctly, it should upload automatically and copy the link. To make things even faster, use keyboard shortcuts. This lets you capture and upload instantly without opening ShareX. You can also view all your uploaded screenshots in the History section. This helps you track and reuse links. And finally, customize your workflow. You can choose whether to save files locally, upload only, or do both. So that's how to automatically upload screenshots in ShareX. Once you set this up, it saves a ton of time and makes sharing super easy. If this helped, subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.